Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Excel Basic to Advanced. Today I am going to explore the age calculation function which is dated if. So let's see what it does. So the dated if function computes the difference between two dates in a variety of different intervals such as the number of years, months or days between the dates. The parameter is first date of joining, or it may be date of birth or start date. The second parameter is end date or today's date. The third is interval. Syntax is datedif, then start date, end date, and interval. So we will see each interval one by one. There we have multiple intervals. For months, it computes the complete calendar months between the dates. Next, we have D means days. It will compute number of days between the dates. Next, we have Y means years. It will compute complete calendar years between the dates. YM means months excluding years. It will calculate complete calendar months between the dates as if they were of the same year. Next we have YD means days excluding years. It will compute complete calendar days between the dates as if they were of the same year. Now we have last one. MD means days excluding years and months. It will it will calculate complete calendar days between the dates as if they were of the same month and year. Now let's jump to the example. So here I have already outlined the example. So we have a start date, then end date. Now we will see each interval one by one. So first we will see how to calculate years between two dates. So equal to dated if, then we will select start date, then end date, and then interval. So for calculating here, we will use Y, dated if. So we have 14 years between these two dates. Now we want to calculate months between these two dates. So equal to dated if, then select start date, then end date, and then interval M. Okay, so we have 173 months between these two dates. Now we want to calculate between these two dates. Okay, so first we will calculate total days. So we will use interval D equal to dated if, then start date, and then end date, and then interval D. So we have total 5286 days. Now we want to calculate days excluding months and year. So we will use MD interval. So equal to dated if, then start date, then end date, and then MD. So it will return days excluding year and month. Now we want to calculate total months. Okay. So here I have already calculated months equal to dated if, then start date, then select end date, and then M. So here we will get total months excluding year only. Here years between months. Let's see what it return, equal to dated if, then a start date, end date, and then y ym. So it will return months excluding year only, and here it will return total months. Now let's see yd interval what it returns. So equal to dated if, then start date, and then end date, and then yd. So it will return the same value as total month. Now let's see some more examples. So here we have a data, we have employee id, then date of joining. Now we want to calculate years, months, and days uh, to see how long they have been working in the organization. So first we will calculate year, equal to dated if, then start date, but we don't have end date. So now we want to calculate as of today how long they have been working. So we will use today function at the place of end date. Now interval is y and enter. So this employee have been working for 15 years. Now we want to calculate month, equal to dated if, then start date, and then today, and then ym. It will return excluding year. Okay, so this month is March, and starting date is, or date of joining is also March, so it's returning 0. Now we want to calculate days, so equal to dated if, then joining date, and then today, and then md. So it will return 24 days. So this employee have been working for 15 years and 24 days. Now we will combine them, so equal to this, then a space, 15 years, then month, and then select this one. What is uh, 'Okay, so this employee have been working for 15 years, 0 month, and 24 days. We have already seen concatenate function in previous video, and just drag and drop, so it will calculate for all the employee. That's all for this video. Thanks for watching.